Okay, so you can see how far we've gone. This is so pretty. You know, when you just have the idea to try something and it comes out perfectly okay, this is what's happening here. I'm really enjoying this color, especially in the bohemian messy goddess braids. It looks really pretty. So that's what we're encouraging our clients to do, and you, hair stylist, start being adventurous with colors. Just encourage your clients and bring some uniqueness to your work. It's really pretty. So what we've done, we've just stayed with the squares. You can see the braids in it and see the gorgeous